Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 7. Last night I went out with my friend Kevin. We had a great meal together, and then at the very end, the chef came out and he said, "Oh, hello customers. I've made a delicious treat for you. Would you like to try it?" Now, normally I'm not really a dessert person, but I smelled something that I thought I would enjoy. As a matter of fact, I only like one kind of desserts, so I was hoping that that's what I smelled. And lo and behold, it was a brownie. Ooh, I love brownies. They're so delicious. And Kevin said, "Hey, do you want to go ahead and just cut that and then we can share it?" And I said, "Sure," because I love to share with my friends. So Kevin picked up the knife and cut the brownie. Oh no. I'm having a problem now, friends. This is a dilemma because look at the way that Kevin cut that brownie. I was very concerned because the thing is, I love brownies. I actually don't like dessert, but I love brownies. And I love to share with my friends and I love to be generous, but I'm having a problem because do you see the problem? Yeah, one piece is big and one piece is teeny tiny. Now, I didn't want to have to share this brownie if I was going to end up with a teeny tiny part. So I did not know what to do. But then you know what? I thought about math because math always helps me out. I thought about math and I thought about how I could change that so that we could each have an equal part of the brownie. Now, when you make something in equal parts, it makes each of the pieces the exact same size. So I said, "Hey, Kevin, do you mind if I just cut it again so that we each have an equal part of the brownie?" And he said, "Oh, I don't even know about equal parts." So I picked up the knife and I cut it just one more time. Ah, that's much better because if you'll notice, I have equal parts of my brownie. Each piece is the same size. Let me go ahead and eat that piece right now. It was delicious. All right, perfect. So I'm so glad that I actually had this problem last night because our learning goal for today actually goes right along with it. Our learning goal says I can divide shapes into equal parts. Now, equal parts just means that all of the pieces that I chop up a shape into are going to be the same size. If they're not the same size, they're not equal, just like my brownie. Now, sometimes friends get confused. They think that when you divide something in equal parts, you can only go across or up and down. But just like this pizza pie, right now I cut it and it's not in equal parts. There's a little tiny piece and a gigantic, humongous piece. But let me go ahead and adjust that. Now look, even though it's cut diagonally, both of the pieces are the same. So it's okay. You can cut a shape in any way as long as all the pieces are the exact same size. All right, I'm going to quiz you, friend. Here we go. Here's a shape that I've divided up into different parts. I want you to tell me, are they equal parts? Yes, they are. How did you know? Yeah, all the parts are the exact same size. Now, let's count and see how many equal parts we have. How many equal parts do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that what you saw? Oh, perfect. Let's try it again. All right, here's a circle that I cut up. Is that divided into equal parts? No way, Jose. How did you know? Yeah, you're right. One size is so big and one side is too tiny. I certainly would not want that little piece if it was a pizza. All right. Whoa, there's that hexagon, and I've used different shapes to put it together. Are all of those shape pieces the exact same size? Are they all equal parts? No, they're not. They're certainly not. The trapezoid is way bigger than the triangle and the rhombus. They're all different sizes. Now, what about this? I've also made a very long rectangle. Is this rectangle divided into equal parts? Yes, it sure is. How many equal parts? 3. That's totally right. There are 3 squares that make up that one long rectangle. All right. Now, which one is divided into equal parts? I'm going to show you 2 shapes. You need to figure out which one is divided into equal parts. That one or this one. Which hexagon is divided into equal parts? Go ahead and point to it. Yeah, good job. The one that has 6 triangles making it up. Those are all the exact same size.
Good morning,
Sorry,
Stallions.
friends.
At this time, all duty personnel, please report to your duty post. All duty personnel, please report
Sorry,
to
they
your
just make
duty
those
post.
announcements in the morning.
Have a great day,
You
Stallions.
did excellent. Let's keep cruising. Oh, sorry. I was going to say how many, but there are 6 triangles. All right, what about this one? Which one is divided into equal parts? There are 2 triangles here. Which one's divided into equal parts? Yeah, you're right, this one. And how many equal parts are there? 2. Ah, friends, you're so good at this. Our learning goal says I can divide shapes into equal parts, and that's exactly what we've been doing. Don't forget, equal parts just means the pieces that you divided up are exactly the same size. If they're not, it's not equal parts. All right, it's your turn, friend. What I want you to do is I want you to go get a dry erase board or your math journal, and I want you to draw a picture of this rectangle. Then I want you to divide the rectangle into 2 equal parts. You can divide it any way as long as the parts are equal. All right, good luck, friend.